Autodesk Tandem is excited to share our data dashboard. This feature provides an overview of completeness of a descriptive digital twin's data. Accessible from the Facility Information panel, users can create, modify, and delete a custom dashboard. These customizable dashboards display to users the completeness of classification and parameter data, as well as data distribution between assets, spaces, and streams. As displayed here, users can see the classification system, number of tagged assets, percentages of parameter completeness, as well as percentage of total elements classified broken down by parameter type or Revit category. These visuals will help with ensuring that the handover is seamless and that the owner-operators are receiving the data they required and was established in the facility template for the project to properly maintain their facility. Taking that a step further, users are able to export the data to a PDF file, enabling updates, summaries, and tracking delivery milestones easily shareable.